Hello everyone, so today I'm going to show you guys how you can find the Wi-Fi password using an Android device. For this example, I'm going to be using the Galaxy Tab S7, but you can use this for any other Samsung or Android device. So let's dive inside the Android device so that you guys can see it. So first thing on your Android device, you need to find your settings. To find that, you can just come here and search for settings. Simple as that. And then you open up on your settings, you go to your connections, Wi-Fi. You can see I'm connected to UCHIHA MZ right here. So you click on this gear right here. It will open this tab which shows your Wi-Fi name and all the details about your Wi-Fi. And you come to QR code and it will ask for you to put your password. After putting your password, it will show your QR code. This is helpful if you have another Android device, you can quickly scan, or iPhone, you can quickly scan and connect. But to know your password, you want to click here on Save Image. You may have to click the power and volume down buttons to make the screenshot, and then soon as you make the screenshot, you come here to crop it. If you don't see this option, just open the screenshot and edit it and make it smaller so that we have only and only the QR code right here, and then you save the image. After saving the image, you want to go to this website on your screen using any browser of your preference. In this case, I'm gonna use Chrome. So you come and search zshing.org as I wrote there, and then go. It will open this website. You just click to choose file from media picker, then it will open this page. You just need to select. For me, I will just go to recent and you select the screenshot that you just did, and then you go to submit. Soon as you submit, it will load up and it will show right here on the top your Wi-Fi name right here, and then the password. This is the password of my Wi-Fi, or in the bottom here your Wi-Fi name, and in the bottom your password. Simple as that. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with everyone. Bye. See you in the next one.